Alright, hey guys, so today we are doing a tutorial on how to fill in your brows. This is the one thing for me that took the longest. I'm still not even that good at it. Like, I mean, I do my brows to where it's decent enough where I'm just like, okay, that's fine. But brows for me are so tricky, and I don't know why. I don't know why. But I have came a long way from my horrible brows, how they used to be. So keep watching if you want to see my eyebrow tutorial. Like and subscribe, and then we'll get into the video. Alright, so sorry, I gotta just dust this off. Okay, so I do my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. It looks like this. It's in a little jar. Looks like that inside. I've seriously had this for almost 2 years, and I mean, it's getting down to the nitty-gritty, but this stuff lasts so long because you don't need to use that much. And honestly, doing your eyebrows totally depends doing your eyebrows totally depends on this, like, how you want your brows to look. I like my brows to be very defined, very kind of dramatic. I know I'm gonna say it, but I do. I like them. I like you to be able to see my eyebrows. And so I have found that the Dip Brow Pomade works best for me and how I want my eyebrows to look. So I'm gonna take my, oh my gosh, I'm gonna take my pencil, my eyebrow brush. It has a little spoolie on the end and then a little brush to fill in my brows. I got this from European Wax Center. This is my favorite brush to do my brows. It's the only brush I use. So I'm gonna take my Dip Brow Pomade in the color Taupe. It's just, you know, a brown. And I'm gonna take a little bit on, I'm just dabbing it in my pot. I'm just gonna take a little bit. And then I start underneath my eyebrow. So I start right here, just outlining it. And then I'll take it right underneath my brow. I like to go lighter under the front area of my brows because I don't want it to look blocky. So take it and just using what I have left and making little sweeping motions to underline. And then I'll push that product up. And then I'll do the arc of my, or arch, whatever. I'll do the top of my eyebrow, and I like to overdraw my eyebrows just a little bit to make this arch look higher than it actually is. And then I'll connect it down here, make a little tail. And then without getting any more product, I'll go back and fill in the front. Just very lightly, you know. Want them to look as fake natural as they can, you know. So after I'm doing this, I'll go ahead and do my other eyebrow. Alright, and then, oh, this one did get a little blocky, but whatever. You'll have your good brow days and you'll have your okay brow days. And whenever that does happen, if you feel like you got too much product somewhere, just take a spoolie brush and just comb it out through your brow. and then go back to the direction that your hairs are supposed to lay. Little tip. Okay, so after I have my brows put on, I'll take my Ready Set Brow from European Wax Center. This is focus. Whatever. It's just a translucent gel, but it doesn't make your eyebrows feel crunchy. But with the dip pomade, it's very thick product, and I put a lot in my eyebrows, so I mean my eyebrows are already staying in place, but you know, just in case. Alright, and that concludes my eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys all enjoyed and found some new tips and tricks to do your brows, and we'll see you next time.